Today we're going to do a little bit of a modification to our under-counter system. We're going to add in a separate piece of pipe with a valve that we can use for quite a few different things, either to connect it directly to a fridge which has a water feed, or to have a pipe available that you can take out and fill an ice machine or fill trays in the fridge for ice, or fill a water dispenser which doesn't have a direct connection to the system. Basically, the components we have for that is we have a T-piece which we want to fit in line on the RO or nano or triple under-counter system, basically just to split off from the product water line to be able to get another feed. Then we have a nice long piece of pipe we're going to be using as a hose, and then we have a valve which will just be the valve that we'll use for the filling, and just a short piece of pipe just to use as an actual filling point or to connect to the fridge. Basically, what we're going to start with is we're going to quickly connect this up. On the valve, there's two little clips here on the quick couplings we need to remove. Then take our short piece of pipe, fit it on the one side, you push it in lightly first and then hold it in, and then it slides in all the way. Connect the other side of our hose to this. I'll demonstrate this here. Literally just let it slide in, then it's gripped, and then if you look at my finger, you hold pressure on it and then it slides in more. Then we pull out the pipe a little bit just so the gap's open, and then we put our little blue clips back in place. The little blue clips is basically just to prevent the pipe from actually accidentally releasing. How you would release it is push against the little fitting, and then you can pull the pipe back out. But we don't want that happening by accident in our cupboards, so make sure we put the little clips back in place. Then we're taking the other side of this hose, taking a T-piece which we want to use to fit into the system. Remove its little blue clips. And then on the one that's teeing off, we fit our hose pipe, and we put our little blue clips back in place. Okay, so now we have everything we'll need to go and do the modification, and now to the filter system. Okay, then you basically take out your filter system, make sure to turn off your electricity supply, turn off your water supply. If you have a system with a tank, close the tank valve and then release the pressure. We've already done that. Then find your product water pipe, the one running to the faucet, and cut it. And then basically what we do on this one is we fit our T-piece, again making sure to slide it in all the way, one side, and then the other side all the way in. Put your clips back in. And then you've got it connected. And then what you want to do now is you want to turn the water supply back on, test it for leaks, and then what we're going to basically then do is make sure the valve you've put in place is closed before you turn the water on, to make sure you don't have water squirting everywhere. And then we're just quickly going to test it for leaks, and we'll be right back with you, and to then show you how the hose pipe works then. Okay, so we've tested it for leaks, luckily no leaks. And basically now, if we open this cupboard, we've got a little hose pipe here we can take, and we go around to the fridges. And my fridge, unfortunately, is not one which you can connect directly. So it's got a little water tank, which we then just open up, put the hose pipe in there, and then we can just quickly fill it up and not have to take from the filter system's tap in the container each time. And yes, that's basically the idea. So now you've got clean filtered water on a hose pipe.